Karbi Anglong la pen ti mahasau arat akari hemprek mate article 244A implementation ja aphan pura. KADHASDCOM la pen karbi riso atar atum tel hirong so people etam si pinpur alo kapajirdam. Karbi Anglong la pen ti mahasau arat akari hemprek mate article 244A prap jin pen pa implement ja aphan pura Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, Dimahasau CEM Debalal Garlosa, MP Amar Singh Tisola pen MLA Bang Priatum, Chedon Sarpen, Ridak and Ponsi, Karbi Anglong Dimahasau Autonomous State Demand Committee La Pen, Karbi Riso Adorbaratum Home Minister Amit Shah, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, La Pen State Home Minister Nityananda Roy, Union Cabinet Minister Nitin Gadkari, Union Cabinet Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Kiren Rijiju, Minister of State for External Affairs of India Pavitra Margherita aphan kachitong damji aphan Delhi rong sopian palitanglo. Karbi Anglong Dimahasau Autonomous State Demand Committee pachatangchun bang sukur sing terang pen nilitum aphan birtana pale ateng pulote Nanamat State Home Minister Nityananda Roy, Union Cabinet Minister Nitin Gadkari, Union Cabinet Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Kiren Rijiju, Minister of State for External Affairs of India Pavitra Margherita aphan pinpur alo pajirdam lapen hemprek ki hangalong nang chirap nang chitodun popusi ning nang pathe dun pusi nilitum aphan birta nang pale. Lason se Karbi Anglong Dimahasau Autonomous State Demand Committee mate tihek pen KADHASDCOM amepu ajit timung kongchun bang sing timung pachatangchun bang sukur sing terang Karbi Riso Dorbar amepu Bimon Kro Karbi Dorbar amepu Mandal Singh Be atum Delhi rong sopian policy pinpur alo mate strong memorandum sitame pajirdamlo lapen prabjin pen Home Minister Amit Shah lapen Prime Minister Narendra Modi aphan sitame kachitong damji aphan appointment long tanglo lasi penap angbong pinpur alo mate strong memorandum sitame pajirdam po pusi Karbi Anglong Dimahasau Autonomous State Demand Committee pachatangchun bang sukur sing terang pen nilitum aphan birta nang pale. News Desk Report, Northeast, Karbi Live.